Um, no, I wouldn't say it's been there have been, like, maybe 1 or 2 times where, like, I've my hair may have gotten caught in, like, a suture or something, but other than that, there's been no pain at all.
And has there been like what's been the most inconvenient part just with your lifestyle?
My lifestyle?
Yeah, has there been
Mm,
anything where you're like, I really wish I could do that and I'm not able to? Whether it's
oh, yes, brushing my hair. Like, brushing my hair with the incision in the back of my head, like, with the sutures, I can't, like, brush scalp, like, I whenever I used to brush my hair, I would just keep the brush on my scalp the whole time brushing it, and I kinda have to, like, avoid going super shallow or super deep in that area, I kinda have to keep it shallow, and that was definitely different because 'cause I'm very used to just, like, raking through my hair and, like, having to, like, take a second to, like, rethink it and be gentle has definitely been difficult.